So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix black screen in GTA Vice City for PC. Windows 10 and 11 is literally the same. I don't have GTA Vice City, but keep watching. This is literally the same action for GTA Vice City. Let's say this is GTA Vice City. So all you have to do is just to right click on it and then go to properties. Under properties, go under compatibility and then run compatibility troubleshooter. Let's wait for it. And then it will open this page here. It's loading here. It's troubleshooting our problem, and then it will show us what's the problem. And then just check this option, run this program in compatibility mode, and change it to Windows 7. Click on OK, and then apply. And that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.